sure you spread out, ladies, that you got enough room to show all your stuff up. Oh yeah, there you go. Got lots of room, so make sure you space on out. There you go. Don't worry, our judges got 20/20 vision in their eyes. All right. Okay. Our judges are ready. Drummers, let's take it away.
Come on, folks, let him hear one more time. One more time. This is for all the marbles, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies, great job once again. Make sure that the judges can see your numbers. And you may exit to your left. Thank you very much. Some more groups that are represented here, and these next